Hello, this is my review on the Umarex Heckler & Koch UMP45 airsoft gun. Comes in the standard HK box. All the information about the gun on there. 420 round high capacity magazine, metal barrel, electric, all that sort of stuff. So inside the box, you get a 420 round high capacity magazine. You get a stick battery, an 8.4 volt 1100 milliamp hour battery with a small Tamiya connector. You get a battery charger. This one's a European mains. Not great. Well, not great if you live in the UK, but... And then you get the gun. So it's a 1:1 scale replica. It's got a version 3 metal gearbox in it. It's got a folding stock, so lift the stock up, round, it clicks. So it comes with 3 front metal rails and sling points on the bottom one, just here. The charging handle is non-functioning. It's got a metal rail on top for a sight. It's got an adjustable rear sight with an adjustable viewfinder. It's got a fixed front sight. The front sight is plastic, the rear sight is metal. The gun has an adjustable hop up. To get to that, you slide this door back, and there is a little wheel you can just see inside there, and you turn that to turn up or down the hop, much like a G36. It's got a magazine release, is this bit here. So when you've run out of pellets and mag, push it forwards towards the magazine, it just slots out. It's got a non-functioning slide stay. It's not a blowback. It has semi, full auto, safe. It's got a rear sling mount on the gun. Rear sling mount on the stock. The stock is plastic. In fact, all the externals apart from the rail and the rear sight are plastic. The outer barrel is plastic, the inner barrel is metal. Lovely colour, red, I had it open. That's beside the point. That's it externally. To put the stock away, press this down and just bend it round. To get to the battery compartment, you fold the stock, and where this little red dot is, push down and bring it towards you. Slots out. There you can get the male Tamiya connector, connect it to the female Tamiya connector, but you want to do that after you've slotted the battery in, so it just slides down. Connect the Tamiyas like so, push it all in, and then just shut the trap door. Check it's not loaded. Good thing I checked, it had a pellet in it. So now you've got semi, full auto. So it is a good quality gearbox inside, if you can tell by the amount of noise it makes. The battery's standard, so, well, the standard sort of size you would get, 8.4 volt. That's the rate of fire you're going to get with it. The FPS on this is about 330 to 350 consistently, so suitable for all sites. It's quite a compact gun, so perfect for CQB. Plenty of space to put torches, lasers, foregrips, whatever you want to customise your gun with. Accurate up to 50, 60 metres, possibly even more depending on what weight of pellet you're using. So 0.25s, well, the heavier the pellet, the further they seem to go up to a point. That's the gun. The magazine is a 420 round high capacity magazine. So to put the pellets in, there's a little catch just there in front of my thumb. You can just about see it. And flick that up and pour the pellets into here. You can just see some just in there. So you pour some in, close it down, flip the magazine over. You got a winding wheel here, and it winds that way. So just keep winding until pellets come up. Put it in and you're ready to go. That way around. So the fake shells and groove slot thing, whatever you want to call it, wants to be faced to the left of the gun. So it wants to be facing on the left side when it's in the gun. It's got a lovely weight to it, feels nice, it's nice to use. I like it, but that doesn't mean you will. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you found it useful.